Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe to make a season bright. Yeah. Little tots with their eyes on the glow will find it hard to sleep tonight.